In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a flowchart on Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation, select the Home tab up at the top, and then right above Drawing over here on the ribbon bar, click the downward arrow. And then you want to go to where it says Flowchart, and then you can go ahead and start inserting whatever instruments or icons you're looking for to include in the flowchart itself. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.